meow 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 meow. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Lau here. First of all, I just want to say that this whole video is being recorded with this microphone, the AMH. So this is how this mic sounds. But the audio you're listening to right now is treated with some filters I applied in Easy Effects. And if you've never heard about Easy Effects, it's basically a program that you can install and treat your audio. And what you do in Easy Effects is going to be applied for the whole system. So no matter where you use your mic, the filters are just going to be applied. I couldn't record the video with my voice in like real time because I was so excited about this new microphone that I couldn't concentrate on what to say. My brain was just like, oh my god, I got a new microphone, I got a new microphone. So I completely forgot how to think. But you can see me opening the box or trying to open in the box. That's something I have some difficulty. And in this box you have some specifications, like which colors you can buy this microphone. And here we go, this is me again trying to open a simple box. I almost cried for help. That's the truth. This beautiful box includes the microphone, of course, one USB cable that you're going to use to, plug the microphone, one mic base stand, and one user's manual. So this is the AMH manual and it's really big. I wasn't expecting this. And this is the base stand. This stand comes with a non-clip surface to keep your mic from sliding across your desk. So I think this is really nice. It just gives more stability to your microphone. And finally, this is the Fifine AMH. Ladies and gentlemen. This is the USB cable that comes with this mic, and it's a Type-C USB. Also, something really interesting is that the standard USB port comes with this adapter, so you can just remove it and use the USB-C port to connect the microphone to your phone. Right here, you can check the connections of this mic, and this big one is the XLR connection. Just below, you have a P2 headphone connection to connect your headphone. And with this connection, you can actually monitor your voice in real time, which is really useful. And finally, you have your USB Type-C connection. If you take a look at the buttons on the front of the AMH, there is one button to control the gain, one to control the headphone volume, and another to change the color of the lights or simply turn them off. And now it's time to fix the stand. Let's go! Alright, so this is me right now. I'm using Audacity to record this take. In this exactly moment, I'm using easy effects and there is some filters as you can see. Now you're gonna see how this mic sounds without any filters or any audio treatment. So let's turn off the effects. Alright. Now there is no effects, and as you can see, this is how this mic sounds. I think it's really nice, but of course with some filters we can have a better quality, especially considering the noise reduction and the compressor. Maybe you can hear some noise in the background. Now let's turn on the filters. And now you can hear me with the audio treatment. That's it. Well, that was a quick video, everyone. I just wanted to share this achievement with you all, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, hype this video, and consider subscribing. And as usual, I would like to say a special thanks to the members of the channel, so thank you so much. My wife, Finlay, Dr. Jacuba, Snitey27, Serviego, Procurador 1337, The Sunmax, Baba881989, Pirate_6581, Trogojita, and Hima796, and a warmful welcome to the new members. By the way, thank you so much everyone, you guys are the best. Thanks for watching, we'll talk later, and bye bye.